Hey guys, this is Frankie. 大家好，我是 Frankie. Welcome back to the 9th day of the 24 days till Christmas. Today's video will be making a Watergate salad. And today's beverage is this wild yam tea with whole grains. Sounded very interesting, so let's try it on out. Kind of curious to see what it looks like. It reminds me of it reminds me kind of like oatmeal. I don't know if you can see all that in there. Alright, let's pour some water on it. Yeah, I saw the yam and I was like, that sounds interesting. All right, let's have a taste. I'm not sure if I needed to let it steep anymore, but it just kind of reminds me of watered down oatmeal. It definitely has a grain smell to it. It's not sweet because I didn't put any sweetener in it, but it's kind of like I don't really taste much of the yam. I taste mostly the grains in here. It's quite interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that off. On to the video. Alright guys, now it's time to make the Watergate salad. So I have my pistachio pudding. I have my whipped cream, which is basically 8 ounces. I have some shelled pistachios. Now I wanted to find the ones that were not shelled, but all I could find was the ones that were shelled. Then I have milk and I have marshmallows. Now the milk is about 2 cups of milk, but basically it pertains to the pistachio pudding mix. So whatever your box says to do, your ingredients on how to make the pudding, whether it's instant or it's cooked, follow the recipe on how you're supposed to prepare your pudding. So I'm going to start with putting the mix together. So I'm going to add the mix in here. I'm going to do the milk. And then, so now I'm gonna get my whisk and I'm gonna start whisking this up. It says to mix for about 2 minutes and then let it stand. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, so I waited about 5 minutes and here we are. It has thickened up. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is put in the whipped cream. And I'm gonna fold that on in. Now some people put in canned crushed pineapple. I'm not gonna put that in, but if you want to, feel free to. Also, people put in chopped walnuts. I'm not gonna be doing that either. I'm not a fan of walnuts, but I am a fan of pistachios, and since we're using pistachio pudding, I'm gonna go ahead and put pistachio nuts in. So I'm mixing to make sure that I don't see any green. Oh, it's all gonna be light green anyway, but I'm looking for like deep, vivid green color. All right, so now we're gonna put in the marshmallows. And again, this is about half a bag. You can put more, you can put less, it's totally up to you. And then I'm gonna put in some pistachios. Now you can do more. I just broke up, since it's in the shell, I just put, basically I shelled some of this. So you're probably gonna want more, but I did not have time to shell the whole bag. All right, so now I'm just gonna let this chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna serve. So now it has been chilling. Here it looks like now it's time to serve. So let me get a spoon. Now I have some whipped cream. I'm gonna put some of that on top. Try to make it beautiful for you guys. Then I'm going to sprinkle it with some chopped pistachios. And now it's ready to serve. So here is our finished product, and now I'm gonna do a taste test. It's very creamy because of the Cool Whip that's put in it. It's sweet because of the pistachio. It has pistachio, this pistachio pudding. It has like the artificial flavor, but if you like that, that's totally fine. And then you have like the crunchiness of the pistachios. And then you have like the little marshmallow bites in there. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.